Today we're doing an exhaust.
Did you hear that? I'm just gonna get right into this. This is what it looks like and sounds like before. Doesn't sound very impressive now, does it? Just before we go any further, we need to see how all this is going down. So this car is gonna go like that and come right over there. So that's gonna go up and over. Disconnect that. It's gonna hang out there. It's gonna hang right there. You wanna spray those hangers, guys. Jesus criminy. Spray those hangers with silicone spray. And on the bolt portions, 556 or WD-40, aka WD-40, spray those on all sides. Let's get those all nice and loosey-goosey. Wrap up this video atop this mountain, legitimately, we have to say that that is an amazing sounding exhaust out of an engine that is smaller than a 750 Norton Commando motorcycle. Perfectly suited, perfect tone, not too loud, absolutely killer. Thanks for watching, till the next one.